Assalamu alaikum
एक
warahmatullahi
सेकंड
wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you, students? I hope all of you are fine. Today, our topic is about 4 operations of simplification. You know that which 4 operations are they? You are familiar with them: division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In the previous pages, we have done so many questions of addition, and multiplication. But now we simplify these operations in a specific order, and that order is called DMAS rule. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now the questions are given to us in the form in which 2 or 3 operations at a time perform: plus, minus, multiply, and divide. According to DMAS rule, we see that which operation we will do first, and then we simplify that questions. Page 32 of your book is included in your scheme. There is only one question, question number 1, and there are 8 parts, and all the parts are included. The statement of the question is: using the simplification rule DMAS, solve these. The first part is 8 plus 4 minus 3. Now you see that 2 operations, plus and minus, they both are at a time given us in one question. So according to the rule, we see that which operation we do first and which one will be the second one. You see, I done the first step, 8 plus 4, because according to that rule, addition will be before subtraction. First we add the number. After finding the sum, we subtract the number and we would get our answer. 8 plus 4 is 12 and minus 3. Now we can subtract these two numbers. 12 minus 3 is 9. Come to the next part. In this part, division and addition, they both are given in one question. So we recall DMAS rule. According to that, first we will do division and then we add the numbers. 8 divided by 2. When we 8 divide by 2, we got 4. 4 plus 12 is 16. Because there is division sign, so division will be before addition. After dividing 8 and 2, we add the numbers and our required answer is 16. In part C, multiplication and subtraction. Again, 2 operations are given. Recall the mass rule. D, M, A, S. Before S there is M, and M stands for multiplication and S stands for subtraction. 6 multiplied by 5. So in the first step, we multiply the number 6 with 5. 6 5s are 30 and minus 5. Now subtract 5 from 30. 25 will be the required answer. Is it clear, students? Come to the next part, part D. In this, first subtraction is given and then division is given. But it doesn't mean that first we solve the subtraction and then we divide the numbers. we do with DMAS rule, D, division, S, subtraction. So D comes before S, it means that first division. 3 divided by 3, 1. When you divide 3 by 3, 1 will be the answer. 10 minus 1. Now is a turn of subtraction. 10 minus 1 is 9. So solving 10 minus 3 divided by 3, our answer is 9. Come to the next part, E, and again addition and multiplication. Okay, who will tell me that which operation is the first, multiplication or addition? Good. All of you are correct. Multiplication. First we multiply 2 and 8. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. And after multiplication, we add 11 in it. 11 plus 16, 27. 11 plus 2 multiply by 8. First, we do the operation of multiplication. After multiplying the numbers, we add them. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. And then we add 11 plus 16. The required answer is 27. Come to the F part. 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 5. Again recall DMAS. First division and then multiplication. So according to that rule, first we divide the numbers. We divide 12 with 4 and then we multiply the number with 5. When you divide 12 and 4, 3 will become, 3 is the answer after dividing 12 and 4. Now is the turn of multiplication. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 5, required answer will be 15 because first we divide and then we multiply the numbers. Yes, part G. 30 plus 6 divided by 3. Should I add the number first? No, because due to the DMSA rule, D is before A, first division, then addition. So we divide 6 and 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. Now we have 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2 is 32. Because after division, we will do the addition. After division, we will add the numbers. I mentioned with each step division before addition, and then the next step will be addition. The last part of this question is 16 plus 8 divided by 2. Again the same operation as we done in the previous one, addition and division. First we divide 8 and 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. Now we add the number 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. 16 plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 20. This is our required number. Yes, student, I think you enjoy this question because DMAS rule is very, very easy. Okay, students, now come to page 35. After 32, page 35 is included, and here the concepts of bracket. How we simplify the numbers when the brackets are given. Some the numbers are enclosed in the brackets and some numbers are out from the bracket. How we solve that expression. Brackets help us to solve problems involving two or more operations. The same that we have done on page 32, more than two operation, maybe addition, subtraction, maybe multiplication, addition, division, subtraction, like this. By telling us which part of the simplification to do first. It means that brackets tell us that which operation we will do first by grouping some numbers together. Therefore, brackets are also called grouping symbols. The most common brackets used in maths is round bracket, and you see that on page 35 in all the question we are using round bracket. Yes, now come to the questions. On page 35, there are 5 questions, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And all the questions are almost about the brackets. Yes, question number 6. Copy and complete these. Work out the operation inside the bracket first. You see part A, 3 multiplied by 7 plus 12. Now the bracket enclosed which two numbers? 3 multiplied by 7. It means that first we simplify the bracket, then we simplified it with the other number. 3 multiplied by 7. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. And then plus 12. First we simplify the bracket and then we add the number. 21 plus 12 is 33. In the first step, we simplify the bracket. We see that which operation is enclosed in the bracket. First, we simplify that one, and after simplification, we add the number with 12. When we simplify the bracket, 3 multiplied by 7, 21, and 21 plus 12 is 32, which is our required answer. Come to part B. 21 plus 12 is 33. Now come to the next part, part B. 9 plus 22 multiplied by 4. According to the DMAS rule, first we multiply and then we add. But we cannot apply that rule over here because we are doing the sum with the brackets. So it is necessary that first we solve the bracket and then we multiply or add with the other number. According to this question, there is plus operation or addition enclosed in the brackets. So first we add the number and then we multiplied it with 4. Now add 22 plus 9. 22 plus 9 is 31. Now we can multiply 31 and 4. After multiplication, The answer become 124. First we solve the round bracket. Addition is given. So first we add the number. When we add 22 plus 9, 31. And after this we multiply 31 with 4. And answer is 124. Come to the part C. 8 multiply 12 plus 16. Again, first we simplify the bracket. We add the number 12 plus 16. 12 plus 16 is 28. After addition, we multiply 28 with 8. 224. 224 is our answer. The last part of this question is 14 plus 18 multiplied by 3. So what will we do? Good. First we solve the bracket. Very nice. So we multiply 18 with 3. When you multiply 18 and 3, 54. 18 multiplied by 3 is 54. Now come to the next step. In this step, we add the numbers 14 and 54. 54 and 14 is 68. 14 plus 54 is 68. Question 6 is finished. Question 7 is same that we have done question 6. Brackets are given. First we solve the brackets and then we simplify the other operation. So this question number 7, there are 4 parts A, B, C, D. This is your homework. This is same that we have done question 6 and you will do the same steps that I have done for you in question 6. Yes, question number 8. Now simplify these sums involving fractions using the brackets to help you. In this question, there are 4 parts and in each part you see the numbers are given in the form of fraction and again the concept of brackets. The first part is 7 over 8 plus 3 over 8. These two fractions are enclosed within the bracket and minus 5 over 8. It means that first we add these two fractions 7 over 8 and 3 over 8. After finding the answer, we will subtract it from 5 over 8. Now the denominator is same 7 over 8 plus 3 over 8. When we have the same denominator of two terms, we only add the numerator. So add 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 over 8. 10 over 8. And the next fraction is minus 5 over 8. Again, both the fractions have the same denominator. So only we subtract the numerator directly. When you subtract 10 minus 5, 5 over 8 will be the required answer. Come to the next part. 5 over 7 minus 2 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Now within the brackets, subtraction is given and after subtracting the fraction, we add 2 over 7 with it. Again, denominator is same. When the denominator is same, only we simplify the numerator. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Again, the same denominator. So add 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 over 7. This is our required answer after simplifying the fractions. Come to the part C. 4 over 9 minus 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9. So first we concentrate on the bracket. Which two fractions are given there? 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9. Denominator is same, 9. So we only subtract the numerators. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 over 9 and negative sign is before the bracket. So we write 4 over 9 minus 5 over 9. Again the denominators are same, 9 and 9. So we write the denominator once and we subtract 4 and 5. When we subtract 4 and 5, the answer will become minus 1 because 5 is the greater number and 4 is the smaller number. When we subtract the greater number from the smaller, we always use the sign of the greater number. And the sign of the greater number is minus because 5 whole minus sign. 5 over 9 whole minus sign. So that's why our answer become minus 1 over 9. The last part of this question is 8 over 15 plus 12 over 15 minus 7 over 15. First we solve the bracket. Again, you see that denominators are same. So we write the denominator once and we subtract the numerators directly. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now we have the fraction 4 over 15 plus 5 over 15. Add 4 and 5 because denominators are same. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 over 15 is the required answer. We have finished question number 8. Now come to the question 9. Work the same way with decimal fraction. Now decimal numbers are given. The rule is same. First we solve the bracket and after finding the solution, we simplify it with the other number. 5.0 minus 0.5. You know how to subtract the decimal numbers. You have done this in the previous class, class 4. How to subtract the decimal numbers. 5.0 minus 0.5. By subtracting these two numbers, answer becomes 4.5. 4.5. Multiply by 2. When we multiply 4.5 with 2, 9.0 would be the answer. 9.0 will be the answer. Come to part B. 8 multiplied by 4.0 minus 3.5. So first we solve the bracket. We subtract these two decimal numbers and then we multiply it with 8. When we subtract 4.0 minus 3.5, what will be the answer? 0.5. 0.5 multiplied by 8 is 4.0. 4.0 is our required answer. Come to the part C. 9.6 minus 7.2 multiplied by 4. Within the brackets, subtraction operation is given. So we subtract the number 9.6 and 7.2. 2.4 will be the answer, and after multiplying 2.4 and 4, the answer becomes 9.6. The last part of this question is 16 divided by 8.3 minus 4.3. 8.3 minus 4.3. When we subtract these two numbers, the answer is 4. 4.0. 16 divided by 4.0. When we divide 16 with 4.0, the answer is again 4.0, which is our required answer. Now in question 10, only you put the brackets, you see the answer. Answer is already given to you. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and minus 2 is equal to 0. Only you choose that which two terms we enclose them within the brackets. The answers are already given. I do the solution for you. Think carefully, put brackets in the correct places to make these statements true. We enclose the numbers within the brackets and we see that whether the answer is correct or not, or the statement which is given to us, this is correct or not. Now you see I do the solution for part 1. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 minus 2. If we enclosed 2 minus 2 within the brackets, what happened? 2 minus 2 will be 0. And when we multiply 0 with every number, the answer becomes 0. And also in the question you see 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this fulfills the statement of part A if we enclose 2 minus 2 within the bracket. Now come to the second part, B part. 2 plus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Again you see that I enclosed 2 divided by 2 within the brackets. Now we check whether these operations are correct according to the brackets or not. Or we put the brackets on the correct place. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1. It is 5. And also in the question, the statement is equal to 5. It means that we put the bracket in correct place. In part C, 18 minus 6 divided by 3. We enclose the number 18 and 6 within the brackets. 18 minus 6 is 12 divided by 3. When we divide 12 by 3, 4 is the answer. And also in the statement 4 is given. It means that we place the brackets in correct place. Okay students, now I share the slide of homework and also the assignment. First you see I mention here the homework, page number 35, question number 7. There are 4 parts of question 7 and I told you during the lecture that this question is same that we have done question number 6. Now come to the assignment. Very easy assignment, and this is regarding DMAS rule. You give the heading on the page assignment number 2, and then we will do these two. And you will give the heading assignment number 2. Do the question 1 and 2 part the same that I have done these type of question for you, and you can send me this assignment on Monday or till tomorrow. Okay, I think that you enjoy today's lecture. This is too much easy. Thank you so very much. Okay, Allah